Hello everyone, my name is Thiago and today we're going to talk about the difference between Scrum and Kanban. And we're going to take just 1 minute to do that. And the first thing is that Scrum has a fixed recite, while Kanban, on the other hand, will force you to think on your organization, on where the demands are coming from so you can manage the work. While Scrum seems to be more simple, you have actually to adapt your organization into the methodology, while Kanban is more modular and it can adapt to your organization. Scrum has the 3 R's fixed: rules, roles, and rituals, while Kanban has fixed principles. It's interesting how Scrum and Kanban categorize work. Scrum is using more size like t-shirt size or Fibonacci, while Kanban has something called class of services, for example. Kanban is a bit more focused on effectiveness and efficiency. Scrum is more common on digital teams or IT, while Kanban, you have applications on several different markets, not just technology. On Scrum, counts on velocity per sprint as the North Star metric, while on Kanban you have several metrics you can take a look, like cycle time, lead time, throughput, discard rate, and in order to better learn about your flow and therefore improve it. On Scrum, the charts possible are like burn up and burn down usually, while in Kanban, as you have more metrics, you can pull off different kinds of charts. And last but not least, Scrum it's more at the team level, while Kanban you can apply on every levels of your organization. That's it for the video. I think I hit the 1 minute mark. Thank you very much. Hit the subscribe button, leave your comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers!